Now I am request to Sahoo sir, please introduce the theme of this session, challenges of legal education and general issues.
Warm welcome to all the participants coming from the different parts of the country. That my student as well as that co-chairperson, Mr. Anand Kumar Agrawal, has said that topic is today research and clinical education, globalization and national education policy. If you look at the topic of this session, it has two important components. First is globalization of the legal education, and second one is that what is the importance of the clinical legal aid committee or institution established in the faculty of law. So therefore, so far as globalization is concerned, but you should be very strict in your topic, what for you are coming and you are going to present your research paper. That I would like a statement today that we need courage to throw away the old garments in which have had their days and no longer it is fit for the requirements of the new generation. Meaning is very simple, that nothing is permanent in this world. Everything is subject to change. Today you have come to the faculty of law, after 5 years or 10 days or tomorrow you will come to the faculty of law, then you will find a new spectrum of changes. Because it is a natural phenomena. You cannot say that my statement is subject to change. And best example or living example I can cite before you, my student is sitting beside me when he was the student I taught to him. So everything is subject to change. So far as globalization is concerned, particularly in the 21st century, we have developed a techno scientific culture. By virtue of the techno-scientific culture, we have developed that information and communication technology. And if you look at the magnitude or the trust of the information technology, it has touched all these aspects of human life, starting from social, economic, and political aspects. And if you look at the trust or the beauty of information technology, particularly in social field, it has created a social revolution in which there is no caste, color, creed in the case of information communication technology. And furthermore, by virtue of the information technology, we have adopted that e-governance system. Sitting here, directly you can have a conversation with the government, and government can also directly establish the relationship with you. This is the changing paradigm of the digital world. And furthermore, I can say that with the ingenious mind of the human being today, we have developed an artificial intelligence where there is no pain, no disease, no starvation, only better service and better economy and better comfort. You try to understand what is the magnitudes of the information technology. Now, my big question before you, if we will introduce this information communication technology or artificial intelligence in the legal research, what are the benefits we will get in order to expedite or enrich the legal education in India? This is the big question before you. And if you should strictly conform your topic, whether illegal, if you have introduced the information technology, then what are the regulatory aspects are coming to the picture so that you can control the constructive aspects and destructive aspects of the information technology. You will conform your topic alone. Then second aspects, Mr. Anand Kumar said, clinical legal educations. And before going to say something as to the clinical legal education, I remember one statement developed by Pandit Nehru in the Constituent Assembly. He said, if you incorporate some beautiful provisions in the Constitution, that is, to provide the food to the starving people, provide to the clothes to the naked masses, to provide the justice to the downtrodden people, justice, then it is the best constitution across this globe. You remember. What modus operandi should be adopted in order to provide justice to the people? Now it is a present discussion, by which we have established the legal aid clinic in every academic institution, particularly in legal private or government academic institution. Furthermore, if you will remember, that statement developed by that Dr. Ambedkar, he said, political democracy is meaningless unless we develop social democracy. Then question comes, what is meant by social democracy? Social democracy has three important components. I mean liberty, equality, and all justice and fraternity. Then you think about what sort of justice to be provided to people. Dr. Radhakrishnan, these ideals have been incorporated in the preamble of the Indian Constitution to provide social justice, economic justice, political justice. Now again, and if you are advance your arguments in the legal aid clinic, then you give the special emphasis referring to the Article 39A of the Indian Constitution, where it has been said, it is the duty of the state to being a welfare state. You develop new modus operandi or legislation by which how to confer the justice or give justice to the downtrodden people. These are the two things are there. One is, should we adopt that information technology in a research area, or should we adopt that legal aid clinic to give justice to these parties? And if you will say something, what are the negative aspects, what are the positive aspects, what are the statutory provisions, what are the judgments delivered by the high courts and the Supreme Courts, and what is your own contribution? Now, eagerly I am waiting, or I have much excitement to listen from the learned participants who are coming from the different. With these words, against this backdrop, now I give the permission to Mr. Anant Kumar to invite you, start your presentation. But be strict to your time constraints.